Hey guys, Sung back here with a quick Excel tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a list, a very simple list within Excel. I know when I was first learning Excel this was something that could be cumbersome because you can make list of boxes and so forth, but there actually is a much easier way to do it. So what I have here is just a worksheet. You can see that $150, and so kind of the idea here is that we're making up a budget. And we want to be able to not have to type in, say, rent or electricity or fuel or whatever it would be over and over and over again. We want the ability to just designate something. And it doesn't have to be a budget. It could be for any application that you have where you just need to be able to choose from a list of, it could be part numbers, it could be product types, whatever it would be. So what you can see here is actually you don't see anything in this cell. However, there actually is, if I select the cell, a drop-down box so that I could select, let's say, electricity was really expensive this month, and so you can see there we go. Now, how did I do that? Actually, how you do it is over here under data. There's this little section called data validation. I don't exactly know the thinking behind the name, but this is where it's at. So if we come to data validation, we're given some different options here, and so what I'm going to do first is select the cell that I want. And I'm going to go to data validation, and I'm going to click here under allow, this drop down box here, and I'm going to select list. Now I can pretty much put anything in here that I want. This is why this is so customizable. You can even select a range of lists. Maybe on a different worksheet you've created something else. Maybe I'll show that here in just a second, but let's say we want fuel, and you just put a comma right in between it, electricity, cell phone, internet. We can make it pretty much as long as we want, and then I just go ahead and click OK, and there it is in the drop down. Now let's say I want to go, I don't have to do this in each one of these cells. You just go ahead and right click on it, say copy, and then whichever cells you want this validation to appear, just highlight those, right click, go to paste special, and right here you can see you can paste validation, and so now those are in each and every one of these cells. So now let's say that we already had a selected list, maybe of part numbers, maybe you have a massive list of part numbers or something like that. So 004, and we'll just go ahead and make ourselves a little bit of a list. We'll make that a fill series, and then I want to go ahead and just go to this one, and I can go to list, and I want to select this range right here, and then it's selecting that source range. I hit OK, and then there you go. So you can just customize this within your workbooks. Hopefully it's been helpful. If it has, go ahead and give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Also give any feedback of things that you would like to learn about Excel or any of the other programs that I've been featuring on my channel. I actually have a microphone at home now, so I should be able to be more consistent at making the videos.